In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a Google Cloud subscription step by step, directly from the Google Cloud console. This is useful if you're no longer using a project, you want to stop unexpected charges, or you're simply done testing Google Cloud services. The process is straightforward, but there are a few important things you need to understand before closing your billing account, so you don't lose data or get surprised later. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Now, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Cloud console. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that manages the Google Cloud project and billing account you want to cancel. If you have multiple Google accounts, double-check that you're using the correct one, because billing settings are account-specific. Once you're inside the Google Cloud console dashboard, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the Hamburger menu, which is the 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main navigation menu for Google Cloud. From the menu, scroll down and click on Billing. This will take you to the Billing Overview page. If you manage more than one billing account, you may be prompted to choose the correct billing account associated with your active projects. After you're on the billing page, look for an option called Manage Billing Account. Click on that to open the detailed billing settings. Here, you'll see information like your billing account name, payment method, transaction history, and the projects linked to this billing account. Now, scroll down on the billing account page until you find the option labeled Close Billing Account. This is the option that effectively cancels your Google Cloud subscription and stops future charges. Click on Close Billing Account. Google Cloud will now show you a confirmation screen. This screen is very important. It explains what happens when you close your billing account. Any paid resources associated with this billing account may be stopped or deleted, and you will no longer be able to use paid Google Cloud services. Make sure you've backed up any important data and that you understand the impact on your projects. If you're sure you want to continue, confirm the action by clicking the confirmation button to close the billing account. Once confirmed, your Google Cloud subscription will be canceled and future charges will stop. Keep in mind that closing a billing account does not automatically delete your Google Cloud projects. However, without an active billing account, most paid services will be disabled. If you want to completely clean up, you can also delete individual projects separately from the project settings. And that's it! You've successfully canceled your Google Cloud subscription by closing the billing account through the Google Cloud console. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides on cloud platforms, software tools, and online services. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.